Hello y'all, this is my Texasian Braised Pork, and here are the ingredients. For my side dish, I chose Yule Choy Sum, and it looks like this. What I did to prepare it, I removed the leaves from the stalk, and it just makes it easier for me to cook and for me to eat later. For the pork shoulder, I cut into rectangle pieces. The size should be roughly 1 by 1.5 inches and about 1/4 inch thick. In a bowl, you want to put in your salt, pepper, oil, garlic, onion, pork shoulder, mix it together and let it marinate for about like 30 minutes. This helps brings out the flavor more. Next, turn on your stove and let's begin cooking. So what I did first, I put an orange sugar into the pot and we're gonna reduce the sugar into caramel. This part is very important, so please do this step. Then add your pork and create a Maillard reaction. Fun fact, a Maillard reaction is the interaction between amino acid and reduced sugar. After cooking for 10 minutes, add your fish sauce, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce into the pot. Also, feel free to add the ends of the green onions at any time. For me, I love a lot of spice. I add in dry crushed pepper flakes, but it's up to y'all, you want to add that. I also add in eggs, and this is optional as well. Lastly, to wrap up this dish, I add in green onions in. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, turn off the stove and let it rest for a bit. Okay, so now we're on to our next cooking. We're gonna cook Yule Choy Sum, and according to the United States Department of Agriculture, here are the recommendations of how much dark green vegetable a person needs daily. To make this dish, add in a tablespoon of garlic and saute about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Then add in your Yule Choy Sum and salt. Y'all want to stir fry this until the Yule Choy Sum becomes a little glossy looking, and y'all don't want to overcook this where it becomes soggy. Also, another fun fact, Yule Choy Sum is packed with calcium that is very important for your bones and teeth. Here are the servings, and by using my fitness pal, here are the nutrition facts. And that's all for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.